we will discuss about the metamorphosis in insect. So what do you mean by metamorphosis? Metamorphosis is the transformation that is undergoes after the post embryonic development in insect between their juvenile stage and the adult stage. So in the insect there is many stages of development that is occur during the life cycle. In case of butterflies there is 4 stage of development present, like egg stage, larval stage, that is the caterpillar stage, and the pupal stage and the adult stage. So these multiple stages of development that occur during the life cycle of the insect, that is called as instar, but the final stage of development, that is adult stage, that occur at the end of the life cycle in insect, that is called as imago. So the adult form, they differ from the juvenile form, that may be in the physiology, that may be in the shape, size, or that may be in the habitat. So there is 4 types of metamorphosis observed in case of insect. The first one is the ametamorphic metamorphosis, that is observed in case of silverfish. This kind of development is called as ametabolous metamorphosis. That is, in this type of development, the young one of the insect, this is called as juvenile, that look exactly identical to the adult stage. So the shape and food habit between the young and the adult stage is exactly similar, but there is some minute difference, like in their adults are slightly bigger in size as compared to juveniles. So this kind of metamorphosis that is exhibit by the that is present in case of some silverfish. The second one is the gradual metamorphosis. This gradual metamorphosis that is observed in case of cockroach, and some lice also exhibit this type of metamorphosis. So in this type of metamorphosis there is minute change between the juvenile, that is the young lymph, and the adult. The juvenile, they are sexually immature, but the adults are completely mature sexually. The juveniles have underdeveloped wings, but the adults have completely developed wings. All the mouth parts of the adults are completely developed. So this kind of metamorphosis, this is also called as heterometabolic metamorphosis, gradual metamorphosis, generally observed in the case of lice or in the case of cockroach. The third type of metamorphosis is the incomplete metamorphosis. This is otherwise also called as a hemimetabolous metamorphosis. So this kind of metamorphosis is observed in case of dragonfly. There is some stages of development that is observed during the life cycle of this dragonfly. This dragonfly that exhibit this hemimetabolous metamorphosis. This nade, this is a immature form or the juvenile form that live within the aquatic medium, aquatic habitat, that emerge from the water after the molting stage. Then the adults have the developed wing. Then the fourth type of metamorphosis is the complete metamorphosis. It generally exhibit by the butterfly. There is several stages of development that occur during the life cycle of this butterfly. The larval stage, that is a caterpillar stage, that is a feeder, and in the larva there is a lateral ocelli present in place of compound eyes, but in the adult compound eyes are present in place of lateral ocelli. And an intermediate stage of development is called pupa stage. This pupa, this is non-feeder, completely immature form. Then this pupa stage, they develop from the developed into the adult stage. Adult emerges, which is completely different from the larva in form, in structure, in food habitats. So their food is also different from the larva between the adult stage and the larval stage. So this butterfly generally exhibit the complete metamorphosis, that is a holometamorphous metamorphosis. Hormonal control of metamorphosis. This metamorphosis is generally controlled by several hormones that is secreted from the neurosecretory cells that is present within the brain. So there is three hormone that participate during the process of metamorphosis. The first one is the PTTH hormone, the second one is the molting hormone, and the third one is the juvenile hormone. The first one is the PTTH hormone, that is the prothoracic tropic hormone that is secreted from the brain. It stimulates the prothoracic gland for the secretion of ecdynosine hormone. The ecdynosine hormone that is not stored within the prothoracic gland, that is immediately secreted into the hemolymph after its production. The second hormone is the molting hormone, and the third hormone is the juvenile hormone that is secreted from the corpus allatum that is present within the brain of the insect.